Hello students, I welcome you all in your EVS class. Today children, we are going to start our new chapter, that is chapter number 17, Here Comes a Letter. Children, here we are going to read about a new way of communication. We know that you all know from earlier onwards, we know that we are writing letter in English, we are writing letter in Bengali, in different subjects we are already writing letters. Right, you people have already started writing letters to your friends, your mother, your father, your cousin, sister, for different purposes. Here also we are going to see a small story where one friend has written letter to another friend. Okay, let's see what is there in this chapter. Here I am a letter. The letter itself is speaking. What is it, children? Why this letter is speaking? We know that letter can't speak. It's a non-living thing. But here we are reading about the story of letter. The letter itself is writing an autobiography. Yes, autobiography. What we call as autobiography? A person who writes about himself or herself, that thing is known as autobiography. Here it's an autobiography of a letter. Letter itself is writing a letter, and letter itself is saying a story about itself, right? Letter itself saying a story about itself, that what happened with it, what were the steps followed, what happened to it, all these things this letter is saying to us. Let's listen the story of letter. Pen and paper is used to write a letter. What is used to write a letter, children? First thing which we require to write a letter, that is pen and paper. Okay, pen and paper is required to write a letter. As you are kids, you are also using pencil for writing. That's why I have shown pencil over here. As you people are small, you people are not using pen for writing. You people are using pencil for writing, right? Then let's see who was writing that letter. Who was writing? Rina was writing a letter to her friend. Rina was writing a letter to her friend. Okay. Then what was happened with that letter? What was the next thing happened to the letter? I was put in a letter box. What that letter is saying? That first Rina wrote a letter, wrote with pen and paper, and then she put it in a letter box. Next, postman took me out and put me in a big bag. What happened next? Postman took me. Me means who is there? It's a letter. Postman took me out and put me in a big bag. Then postman took it and it carry in its big bag. Here you can find that here it's a big bag. In this big bag it took and then it carried it towards the next step. Yes, what is it? Taking a ride on the postman's bicycle. Now the letter is in a postman bicycle and inside its bag. Here you can see at the back of the postman there is a bag where letter is been kept. Okay, here in this bag the postman took me. Me means who? The letter which was written by Rina. Yes. Then next what happened? What is the next step? There I was taken out of the big bag and stamped hard. Then it was taken from the bag and it was big and hard stamp was put on it. The stamp was of Agartala. Where it is? Agartala, from where my travel began. The stamp was put by the postman, by the postmaster on the the stamp was of Agartala. Where is this Agartala situated, children? I don't know, right? Now see it very carefully. It's a map of India, right? You can see it's a map of India. Here I will show you where is Delhi. You can find it here. See it carefully. Here it's a Delhi. In Delhi, Agartala is situated. Right? How Ranaghat, Chakda is situated in West Bengal, Kolkata is situated in West Bengal. Similarly, Agartala is situated in Delhi. After getting stamped, I reached another big bag. This bag had many more letters, all heading for Delhi. Again, me means who? The letter. Letter is saying that again I was took in another bag where it was written Delhi at the top. Heading was given as Delhi. Then what happened? The red poster van dropped me at the railway station. Then I was took in a mail van. You can see here it's a mail Britain. It's a mail van. And children, see this symbol. See this symbol very carefully. You can find here a right sign. 3 lines of this type are showing a symbol of poster. Yes, letters, right, where we are collecting. It's a mail van where thus letters are collected. Okay. Where the red postal van dropped me at the railway station. Where it dropped, it took it to the railway station. As it is Delhi, it is in a state, within a state, that's why it is going through railway. Right. Now it has been given. There I got into a train going to Delhi. What this letter is saying? Then it was put in a train which was going towards Delhi. Okay, you can understand by seeing all these pictures and all this story that letter is writing its story, how it reached from Reena to Ahmed. The friend to whom she has written letter was Ahmed, right? After getting inside the train, what was the next happen with it? Let's see. After a long journey of 5 to 6 days, I reached Delhi. After 5 to 6 days, she know that letter. Actually, it reached Delhi. I was sorted as per the area mentioned in the address written on me. I was sorted means what? It was been find that which area, which letters are going to be sent. According to that address, it was sorted and then it was sent in that particular address bag. One more stamp was put on me. After that, as I was put in I was taken to Agartala. I was taken to Delhi. There to the back or to the area that is Agartala, where I am going to go. In that part or in that bag I was sent, and on me also again one more stamp has one given on me. Me means who, children? Here it's a letter. It's a story about the letter. The letter itself saying its story to us. That's why everywhere it is written me. Okay. Then the next, final, the postman dropped me at Ahmed's house. As it was given in Ahmed's house, Ahmed find me and he started to read whatever his friend has written. His friend has written whatever things he is reading it. Yes, children, you understood the story or you understood the steps. What were those? Let's recap. First thing is we need pen and paper or pencil and paper. Then the second step, we need to write it. Okay. After writing, we have to deposit it or we have to drop it in a post box. Then from there, postman collects it and collect it in a big bag. then take a ride on postman's bicycle and has been carried to post office. There stamp has been given according to the areas or according to the locality. Then it has been dropped through mail van to stations, right? From stations it has been given through train, it has been sent through train, then to the local post office, and from there it has been sent to the receiver to whom it has been sent. Okay, right? For writing a letter or for giving a letter, we need two persons. One is sender and second is receiver. In this case, who was the sender? Yes, and who was the receiver? Ahmad. Very good. Yes, children, you all will read this chapter. Only one page is there, but you have to read it. After reading, after understanding the steps, you are going to put numbers in this page. Yes, here 8 pictures are given and we have to give numbers on it. Okay, which step will be first? According to that, we have to put numbers. Okay, children, you are going to do this homework, page number 112. You are going to see these 8 pictures, 8 images, and accordingly you are going to put the numbers. It's a time of assessment. Fill in the blanks. First one, letter box is of dash color. Second, we post our letters in dash. Third, postman delivers dash. Fourth one, letters are carried from post office to railway station through dash van. You have to write the answers for the given blanks. Write answers for the given questions. Recall the video, children. Whom do we call sender? You will write answer for it. And second question is, whom do we call receiver? Last one, where did Ahmad Ali lives? Where did he live? Where did that letter went? You have to write that. Okay, children, stay safe and healthy at your home. Eat seasonal fruits and vegetables. As it is winter season, you will find ample of vegetables, fresh vegetables. Try to consume it, try to have it. Don't fail to drink water. Listen to your elders and parents. Thank you, children. Have a good day. Make a good day.